Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. Today's topic of discussion is new frog species named after Assam College. Why in news? A new frog species, Leptobrachium areatium, has been discovered in the Garbhanga Reserve Forest, Assam. The frog is named after Arya Vidyapeeth College, located near the forest, which helped the locality shed its identity as a hub of country liquor production. This discovery is the result of a 21-year-long study conducted by zoologists, including alumni and faculty members of Arya Vidyapeeth College. The new species was officially described in the journal Zootaxa. Before moving further, an important announcement. The next offline batch of the IAS GS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, is starting soon at Drishti IAS, Noida. The English medium batch will begin on 7th May at 8 am and the Hindi medium batch will start on 29th April at 6 pm. For more details, contact 87501 87501. Now let us discuss about the new species Leptobrachium areatium. The frog is known for its fiery orange and black eyes, unique throat pattern and smooth rhythmic call at dusk. It was initially mistaken for Leptobrachium smithi, but further studies revealed significant differences in appearance, DNA and call patterns. The species is part of the Leptobrachium genus, which includes 38 species distributed across China, India and Southeast Asia. It was identified after comparing previous data with new studies on related species in the genus. Let's discuss the Garbhanga Reserve Forest. The Garbhanga Reserve Forest, located on the southwestern border of Guwahati, Assam, is a significant biodiversity hotspot. It is home to various species, including elephants, butterflies, rare birds, reptiles, and amphibians like Leptobrachium areatium. The forest plays a crucial role in regulating the climate and water systems of Guwahati, though it faces threats from urban sprawl and habitat destruction. Now is the time for today's practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the new frog species Leptobrachium areatium. 1. The frog is named after Arya Vidyapeeth College, Assam. 2. It was first thought to be Leptobrachium smithi, but differences in looks, DNA and calls confirmed it as a new species. 3. It was found in Garbhanga Reserve Forest in northeast India. 4. It belongs to a genus with 38 species across China, India and Southeast Asia. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 2 and 4 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. And D. All of the above. Send us your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.